Welcome to the beautiful LEBLON beach in Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Join us for a scenic walking tour of this iconic coastal gem. Don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon. LEBLON Beach is famed for its pristine sands, clear waters, and lively ambience. It's a popular spot for both locals and visitors. The beach buzzes with activity. From relaxing under the sun to engaging in beach volleyball and water sports, there's something for everyone. Stroll along the promenade, where you'll find street vendors and charming cafes offering everything from fresh coconut water to traditional Brazilian treats. Relax at a beachside cafe with a refreshing caipirinha, taking in the stunning ocean views. LEBLON Beach is perfect for families, with plenty of space for children to play and shallow waters ideal for young swimmers. Adventurous visitors can enjoy the excellent surfing conditions, suitable for both beginners and experienced surfers. As the sun sets, the beach becomes a picturesque landscape, offering a perfect end to your day at LEBLON Beach. Thank you for joining our tour of LEBLON Beach. We hope you enjoyed this glimpse into one of Rio's most stunning locations. Until next time, keep exploring.